Good afternoon, Era. The glove box in my 2026 Tesla Model Y does not want to open. What could be the cause and the solution? Has Tesla advised as to how you can fix that?
Hey there, it sounds like your glove box might be stuck due to a few common issues. First, don't panic. It's a known issue with some Tesla models, including the 2026 Model Y. Here's a quick rundown of possible causes and fixes, since Tesla doesn't always make this straightforward. Causes: overstuffed glove box. Too many items can put pressure on the latches, preventing them from releasing properly. Software glitch. Sometimes the touchscreen or software lags, causing the glove box to not respond. Pin issue. If you set a 4-digit pin and forgot it, the glove box won't unlock. Mechanical jam. The latches might be stuck or broken, especially if it's a new Juniper model right from delivery.
So Era, Grok was not useful at all in the actual issue with the glove box. The glove box not opening resulted in my second call for Tesla service under warranty. And the issue initially was that you could tap on the glove box open button. I have a shortcut on a scroll wheel. You could also tap that. You could use a voice command, and no matter what you did, you would hear a click, but you couldn't get the glove box to open. The actual fix, now it opens fine. Let's try it again. Or the actual root cause, rather, is that counter to what Grok was saying, there wasn't enough pressure on the magnetic latch. So the fix is to add these little shims, little plastic shims on top of the rubber bumpers that come stock on the glove box, to actually put additional pressure on this magnetic element here and actually force the glove box to open. So all that the service technician did was install a little plastic shim here and here. Took about 5 seconds, and after that the glove box opens flawlessly, either through the screen, the shortcut through the steering wheel. Now let's try the voice command. Open glove box. Yeah, so it all works. It's not a software issue. It's not an electronic issue, really. It's just the tolerances here were not correct initially. It's a simple fix. It's been working flawlessly ever since. But prior to the fix, I would have to pull with my fingers here or on the edge here as I clicked or gave it a voice command to open the glove box. Simple solution, not too bad. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.